Okay, good morning students. Today I'm going to teach you about the brackets. Okay. Now brackets are like the doors. Yes. Now the first is this type of a bracket which is known as number one, which is the bar bracket. Second is these are the doors. Yes. This is another door which is called as simple bracket or parenthesis. And then we have the third type of bracket which is curly brackets, and it is called third type of bracket which is curly brackets, and this fourth is the square bracket. Okay, now suppose this is you and you are locked inside a washroom, so and you want to go move out of your house. Yes, so first, how will you come out of this? What will you do? First of all, what will you do? This is the door of your washroom. First you will try to open this door. So this door opens. Then what will you do? Then now you have come inside a room and that is also locked. Now you'll open the door of this room. Yes, now you are out of this. Then you are out of this. Now you are inside. Yes, this is suppose the main door of your house. You are inside the main door. Now you open this door. Then you open this door, main door, and then comes the gate. Yes, the main gate. You can say of your locality or something, if it is something, yes, or the main gate of your house. Then you move out this. This is the way these are the steps that you will follow to move out of the washroom where you are locked. So, first is, this is known as bar bracket. Yes, it's a simple, this above the number it is written, or just a simple line above the number. And this is the first thing that you will do is to come out of the washroom. Then you come out of the room. Yeah. Then you come out of this is your main door. Yes. And then you come out of the gate of the society, you can also say. So these are the 4 steps, and you cannot open this gate first. When you are locked here, how can you open this first, or this first, or this first? So first has to be this bar bracket. Then the number comes out from this simple bracket. So this represents the bar bracket. The number, yes, if it is written above this, 2 is written, and above this a horizontal line is there that represents the bar bracket. So how 2 will come out, that I will teach you later. Yes, then these are called the simple brackets or parenthesis. Then these are called the curly brackets. Yes, this is first. Secondly, you will come out of this. Then you will open this bracket, and then last is the square brackets. Brackets make a lot of difference in mathematics. You know, they are just like doors and they make a lot of difference. Yes. Now coming to how to open, rules for opening the bracket. Now, how will you open the bracket, children? Yes, rules for opening. Okay, children, you all know that your mummy is inside and we are inside, and someone rings a bell. When someone rings a bell, you see out of that hole in the door that who's there. Yes, if he's okay, Papa has come, then okay, Mummy will open the door like this without changing anything, without arranging any, yeah. But if some outsider is there, what will she do? Yes, what is she going to do when some outsider is standing outside? What will you do? What is the first step? She will see whether she's dressed up properly. Then she can also see that if the drawing room is settled or not. You have kept your bag on the sofa, then she'll remove that, and then to make it presentable. Yeah. And then she will open what is she doing? She is changing the environment, changing the circumstances, and then she is opening when some outsider is there. Okay, now let me teach you in that manner here. Now suppose you have this 5 is there, and there is, now just see this bracket. I'm just opening one bracket, I'm showing it to you. Now suppose you have this bracket, one bracket here, and this bracket has to be opened. Yeah. Now, what is standing? This is a door, yes, and we are inside this. Now, how am I going to open? Who's standing outside? Plus sign is standing, only plus. Plus means someone from a family, a positive person. Yes, someone from a family. When someone from a family is coming, we just open the door without changing anything. Papa is standing outside, or your brother or sister is standing outside. There's no need to make any changes in that case to open the door. You just open the door. So what we have done is 5 remains as it is. And how do we open this door? Yes, children. Because a positive person is standing, this sign is only deciding what comes out of this. So this sign is no more to be used. This is only deciding ki how will -2 who's inside the room is going to come out. So how is it going to come out? Yes, what will we do? Yes, this will not change. So -2 comes out as -2. Because who's standing outside? Papa or brother or sister. Yes, someone from a family is standing outside. Positive denotes someone from a family. So 5, and this sign is only the deciding sign, and this comes out 5 minus 2. Now 5 minus 2, you know children, so no need to apply so much of integers here, just 3. Clear? Now another question is, now in this case, -2 was inside. Now in this case, +4 is inside. Whatever number is inside, or if there are more than 2 numbers, 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, whosoever is inside this door, inside this room, how will they come out is decided by the sign just before this. It is again plus sign. So how will this +4 come out? See, -3 remains -3. But how will this +4 come out? Yes, it will come out as +4. This sign is only deciding that how will. So this sign will not be used. Only which sign will be used? Yes, +4 is there. So +4 comes out as +4 when plus is outside. So we just write it as -3 plus 4. Now -3 plus 4. Now you have been using lifts, children, elevators and lifts. Yes, when we go from the ground floor, we go to the -3rd floor. Yes, -3, and then you go 4 steps above, 4 floors above. Where will you reach? Yes, it will be +1. You'll reach on the 1st floor. So minus and plus, you have already studied. When there is 1 plus and 1 minus, what do? We subtract, and the sign of the greater number is +1 comes here. Clear? -3, you go 3 down, and then from there you go 4 steps up. Where will you land? You land to +1. Okay? Now the scene comes when there is a negative sign. When there is a negative sign standing, negative means someone outsider. Yeah? Not from the family. Someone outsider is there, your mommy is there, your maternal aunt is there, or someone outsider. So the first thing that you will see that your house is well settled or not. You will just clean your house or arrange the things, and then you will open the door. So now see, 5 minus is standing. This sign will decide how this will come out. We have to open the bracket. How this will come out? -2 will come out as +2. Why? Because who's standing outside? A negative person. When a negative person is standing outside, we have to change and come out. So -2 will come out as +2. If it was +2, it will come out as -2. Yeah. So now our sum becomes 5 plus 2. And 5 plus 2 is simply, 7. Now the next one. Suppose, now just see, how will we open this bracket? Yes, who's standing inside? A positive sign, +4. And who's outside the bracket? Who's going to decide how will this come out? This sign will decide. Yes, so minus decides how this +4 comes out. So how will it come out? It will change. It has to change. Because a negative person is standing outside, so we need to change. Yes, so +4 comes out as, see, -3 remains as -3. We don't have to change because we are taking this 4 out of the bracket. And who's the deciding person? Who's deciding? The one standing outside is deciding how is this going to come out. Yes, the negative sign is there, so this has to change and come out, and it comes out as -4. So -3 and -4. Just stay at the ground level. Yes, 0. Yes, now the left goes 3 down, and then again 4 down. Where are you landing? You are landing on the 7th floor. Yes, below the ground floor. Yes, that is, you are at -7. This is how, children, you can do plus, and there's nothing plus or minus in integers. Just use your left. Yes, from minus, you go from the, start from the 0 level, go to -3. Yes, third floor below the ground floor, and then go for 4 more. Minus means going below, plus means going above. Yes, so -4 more again. Yes, or you can say both are negative. So when we both the signs are negative, we add with a negative sign. Yes, -3, you are in a loss of 3 rupees, and again you are in a loss of 4 rupees. You are in a total loss of 7 rupees.